It's a championship game. Championship match. Delta versus Motivation. And we're live on the Facebook page of Basketball Mike. And our sponsors. We'd like to thank our sponsors. Core Sports. Basketball Mike. TUI. And Chicks to Go Abu Dhabi. It's the battle of the Giants and Dwarfs. Motivation against Delta. Okay. First position of Delta. Steal on Motivation. Lucero. Foul. Foul number 1. On Delta. First position of foul number 1. Omar. Warning for delay the game on Omar. Bounty Bicolan Express Mahoy. Now 2 pass. Cardipe Omar. 2 pass now. Time to shoot. Blocked by Ribbon. Now it's Sherabe. Guard by 2 pass. Looking for Abdurrahman. Abdurrahman. Stop. Pull out jump. Bang! Bang, bang, bang! On Abdurrahman. It's 3-0. Delta out by 3. It's Lucero. Nice fake. Slade. Guard by Lucero. Now it's looking for 2 pass. 2 pass. 10 seconds to shoot. Nice fake. Too strong. Rebound again by Motivation. It's Vega. Looking for 2 pass. Oh! Turnover on Motivation. 8 minutes and 35 seconds. 3-0 our score. Delta lead by 3. Now it's Ribbon. Ulo jump. Short up. Rebound up. It's Vega. Now Lucero. It's Delta ball. Delta. 8 minutes. 2 minutes to shoot. Now Raven. Looking for shirt. Take a pass. Abdurrahman again. Second time. Too strong short. Rebound on Lucero. Now Lucero. Drive. Lucero got to be repeats. 2 pass. Long way. It's technical foul on Abdurrahman. Is your shirting? Technical free throw on 2 pass. 7 minutes and 48 seconds. 3 against 0. Delta by 3. Now 3-1. 2-point lead on Delta. It's 7 minutes and 48 seconds. 2 pass to Lucero. Nice pass to Makoy. Blocked by Raven. Now 2 pass. Drive. 2 pass game. In and out. Top. 2 pass again. 2 pass. Suleiman. Big go. Big go na Suleiman. It's running violation on Big O. Suleiman is 7 minutes and 20 seconds. 3-1 our score. Delta up by 2. Now Raven. Raven drive, it's foul. Foul on number 3 on Lucero. It's first on Lucero. First, the foul on Motivation. Too strong. Rebound on Sherabe. Kick out pass. Now it's 2 pass. 3-2. 2 pass now. Got to be Amar. Lucero. Take. Now 2 pass. Back to Lucero. Hesitation. In and out, top, rebound on Raven. It's Raven now. Pass to Omar. Omar, 2-1. Omar drive, Omar block. Omar Lucero. 6 minutes and 35 seconds. Still our score. Delta up by 2. 3 against 1. Sherabe. Now Raven long three. Too strong top. Rebound by Vega. Now Vega to Lucero. Lucero. Guarded by the big man. Lucero escape. Side step. Lucero drive. Looking for two pass. Two pass. Short. Blocked by Ruben. Now it's Ruby. Running down in Abdul Rahman. Bang! 5-1. Now Delta by 4. It's 5 minutes and 57 seconds. Two pass. Guarded by Ruben. This is it's foul. It's holding foul on number 8 on two pass. It's second team foul on motivation. Foul on number 8 on two pass. Now Ruben. Looking for Abdul-Rahman. Shuribi. Ruben now. Nice pass outside Abdul-Rahman. 10 seconds to shoot. Too strong. Rebound by Vega. Now Lucero. Stop back. Looking for two pass. Solomon. Big. Foul. Foul on number 8 on Abdul-Rahman. Second personal foul. Second team foul on Delta. It's 5 minutes and 14 seconds. Still Delta up by 4. 5 against 1. Basket substitution. Short. Rebound on Balapik Express. In and out again. Rebound si Rebe. Ruben. Abdul-Rahman. Ruben. Si Rebe. Abdul-Rahman again. Foul. Foul on number 13 on McCoy. Substitution up. First personal foul against McCoy. 13 foul motivation. It's 4 minutes and 52 seconds. 5 against 1. Delta still up by 4. Six one. Out. Shirabi. Time out. On motivation, our score still 6 against 1. Delta up by 5. It's 4 minutes and 46 seconds. This is our championship game, championship match. Lucero. McCoy. Lucero, take. Lucero drive, nice kick out pass to Belapeg. It's rumbling violation on Belia. Now 4 minutes and 20 seconds. 1 against 65-point lead on Delta. Now 8 against 1. Oh, it's turnover again on motivation.
Serious! Defense!
Now, Lucero. Lucero now, Daddy Lucero. Bang! 3-1, 3-8. It's stepping on the line of Lamar. Turnover again on motivation. Substitution left, substitution. Lucero. Tubas. A grand air ball. Rebound on Delta. It's Raven. Renaton. Out of the break. Substitution left. Now warning for penalty on motivation. Second personal foul on number 8 on Tupas, 2 minutes and 58 seconds.
Airball!
9-3. Delta now by 6.
Airball!
2 out of 2 coming from Raven. In out again, rebound on Sheriff. Whoa, it's 12 against 3. 2 minutes and 27 seconds. Umar, Raven. Raven right, that pass to Umar. Looking for Sheriff. It's still again on Migran. Now, motivation running. Got it, 3-2. Motivation now. Looking for Sermon. It's Tupas. Fake. Drive. Tupas. Tupas scoop. Short. 2 minutes. 12 against 13. It's a 9-point lead on Delta. Bang! Bang, bang, bang! Oh, Chorobe! Lucero. Tubas. Short. Rebound on Chorobe. Wow! What a defense! Wow! Substitution left down. Now warning kita on motivation and penalties. 30 foul on Tupas. Sub left sub. Penalty.
Kurin nyo na lang, kaya yan. Sige na.
Wait! Guys, take him seriously. Ito pa yung...
Power forward.
Ito pa yung shoes tayo.
Power forward.
Airball! Basket! Shot. If you don't make this, your history of basketball is trash.
17 to 3.
Shooting guard. Number 8? Yun yung shooting. Yun yung ano pangalan.
1 minute. Bang! Oh, Tupas. 17 to 6. Delta up by 11. 45 seconds.
Yes, sir!
40 seconds.
Eh, huwag nga. May shooting guard na pala.
Oh! Now 8 against 11. Nice now. It's 20 seconds.
Pagod na sila, wala nang
15. Garcia. Escape. Is winner. 5 seconds. 2. And now our first quarter, our score is 17 against 10. Delta up by 7.
Kailangan sa live.
Ah.
Small forward. Mali, Muhammad Ali.
Second quarter.
Guys, we need no.
Kami na tuloy ko. Pagkapat sa gino. Kami na.
You know, guys, my brother should be dancer. What? Di ba kayo isak lang mag-isang sumisigaw?
Di pa yun.
Exactly. Pass.
Ay, kita mo na meron. Ma'am, tubig ma'am, may tubig ka?
Ha?
May tubig ka ba dyan?
Point guard.
Ako Lucero ng team ko. Lucero lang ito. Shooting guard yun ito si Kwan.
Good shot, guys.
It's 17 against 10. Short. It's Tunle. Escape. Drive. Nice steal on Raven. Now Raven stop. Raven. Run. Pass. Steal. McCoy. Top. It's clear. Running. 1-1. Grenade short. Rebound by Omar. Umar now. In and out. Sinabi. Short. Top. It's motivation for motivation. 9 minutes of score. Still 17 against 10.
Yes, palisan nyo na. Pagod na sila.
8 minutes and 50.
Tapos lagam siya yung isla.
Hey! Short. Nice pass. Bang! Foul on Raven. It's basket count on Makoy. It's 12-17.
Kaya ano? Kaya na Raven. Isla. Raven.
Raven. Delta. Kalin.
Isla.
One more.
Second.
Second. Asan?
Ayan o, Kalil.
Hindi, misis lang. Kalil na ba ito siya? Ba't kalil na sa pangalan niya?
Oh, nakalagay dun sa jersey niya.
Now 13 against 17. 4-point lead now, Delta.
Ay, huli na. Oh.
It's Abdul Rahman. Muhammad Ali. 19 against 13. Biner. It's foul. Foul on number 1 on Omar.
Umar, second.
Second personal foul against Omar. Second on Delta. Short. Two pass. Nice pass. Makits. Foul.
Number 3.
Foul on number 3 on Delta. 13 foul on Delta. First. Personal foul against number 3. We came to 17. 17. We come 17. 17, 2 points.
Siguro dito ako na score. That's 17.
19-14. Rebound on Omar. Sheriff. Raven. Stay. Raven struggle. Rebound right there. 6 minutes. Lucero. Tupas, Biner. Whoa, it's Biner. Now 16 to 19. Stepping on the line again. No, Nali, stepping on the line. Time out on Delta.
Red, lips, and white.
Pag ano?
Mamaya. Pag nataas.
Lagyan mo yung stop. So, mag-champion sila yung kamila ng dito.
Bang! Bang, bang, bang! On Lucero.
Defend, defend!
10 to shoot! Oh! Ina, triple by Serabe. Steal by Tupas. Rebound on Serabe.
Pagod na sila!
10 seconds to shoot.
As long as we have loud voice, we can win this.
Short. Lucero. Yo! It's Lucero. It's 20 against 19. 1 point lead now with Lesion. Abdulani. Drive. Whoa! Ale, 21 to 20. Back to 1 point lead on Delta. Lucero. Time to shoot. Whoa! 22 to 21. It's about 2 point lead on Lesion. 3 minutes. Wow! Ano naman namin na 23 against the 22.
Time out.
Lucero, Pinel. 1-1 by Serabe. Who's the coach? 10 seconds to shoot. Shut time out on motivation. It's 23-22. A 1 point lead on Delta.
Ayun, nakatupas. 08.
Foul. Foul on number 8 on Tupas. Tupas now. Fourth foul. Warning on Tupas.
Fourth?
2 minutes. 11. Oh, it's Rebel time. 24 against the 22.
Hey!
25-22.
Win.
Umar. Substitution of sub. 25-22, 3-point lead Delta. Now Raven.
Score something. Because I bet at least you have at least one race.
Nice move with the bad guy. 27 against the 22. 1 minute. Foul. Foul on Omar. It's third on Omar. Second team to Arnie for penalty on Delta. 3-point shot on Lucero. Substitution up.
Phoenix.
45 seconds. Rebound on Simon. 30 seconds.
Bro, where's McQueen? You won again.
15.
3 points. Deep
10. It's Garcia. And now for a second quarter score, it's 27-24. Delta up by 3.
Ito?
Paano ang bigay niya? Ikaw mag-picture ka.
Saan ba yung ano?
Ikaw mag-picture. Dahil dito picture na, huwag mo ko yung pan. Yung pondo sa taas. Siya, para pa mo.
And we will have our awarding for our best of the best, or our Daddy's League category.
Anong uno?
And we'll have our point guard, best in point guard. We will call on number 3 on motivation. It's Lucero. That produces our best point guard on the lead. It's number 3 from motivation. It's Lucero.
Lapitan mo, Linda. Gintaan mo, Linda. Linda, ayusin mo. Gintaan mo, ayusin mo.
Baba lang ba? And we'll call on the power forward from Delta. Nananasi Sarape. Congratulations for our first best power forward. And we'll call on the man in the middle, and from motivation, it's McCoy, number 13.
Lapitan mo.
And our shooting guard from Delta, Muhammad Ali. And our small forward from motivation coming from number 8 is 2 pass! And we will call all the 5 players, the best of the best players, come in the middle. All players, best of the best players, come in the middle. Gitnaan niyo yung quad, ang delta. Gitnaan niyo yung delta. Diyan na. Diyan na minita. Side. Ay, naku, mali. Lapitan mo na. And we'll call on our season MVP. None other than our best point guard number 3, it's Lucero! Dito sa baba, mas ganyan. Congratulations to our 5 best of the best players on our Dallas League. And our season MVP naman, number 3 from motivation, it's Lucero! Sino mo dalawa?
Sanay na, hindi na bago yun.
Third quarter. It's Delta Ball. Ball game. Umar. Looking for Raven. Nice pass to Sheriff. 10 seconds to shoot. Bang! Bang! Oh, naman. 30 against the 24. Bang to Garcia. Whoa! Bang on Garcia. 27 against the 30.
27. Oh, 27.
Raven. It's motivation.
Wala ako kasi hindi ko tapos dito. Hindi ko dito.
Eight minutes and 52 seconds. Delta only up by 3. It's 30 against 27. Lucero. Still it's foul. It's foul on the big McCoy. Second personal foul on McCoy. Personal motivation, 8 minutes and 30 seconds. Third quarter, championship game for our Dallas League. It's almost 4 months in a row. 4 months for our championship game. Bang! 33 against the 27. It's a 6-point lead on Delta. Miguran. Bang! It's Renegade Magala. 33 to 20. Back to 3-point lead on Delta. Nawali. Dribbling. Pass. Sumar. Back to Ali. Still by Vega. Now it's McCoy. All alone. Now Lucero. 32 to 33. It's 1-point lead now, Delta. Ali. Asumar! Magtuali! It's still again on motivation. It's Lucero. 1 and 2. Lucero now. From DBB. Make. It's a free make. It's looking for Pergulan. Looking for Lucero. Open jump for right place and right side. Too strong. Rebound on Delta. It's foul. Foul on number 59 on Garcia. Second team foul motivation. First on Garcia. 6 minutes. 6 minutes. It's 58. Foul on number 58 on Garcia. 1 point lead now on Delta. Sheriffy. Umar. Raven. Too strong top. Rebound on Makoy. The Bicolano. Now Garcia. One and done. Stop up. Bang. On Garcia. Still Umar. Looking for Raven. Raven now. 55 to 30. 2 point lead on formation. Ali. Side step. It's foul. Foul on number 17, Junli. Now 13 foul motivation. First on Junli. Substitution up, substitution. Short. Now McCoy. Junli, 4 minutes and 30 seconds. Short. Shirabi. Ali. It's short. Now Garcia, 3 on 2. Garcia now pull it up. Bang on Garcia. 38 to 33. Short. Now 5 point lead of renovation. 4 minutes. Next defense to Jeremy. Garcia. Rebound on Delta. Now it's Raven. Raven time out. On motivation, it's 35 against 38. Only 3 point lead on Delta. On motivation, 38 against 35.
No foul!
Nice!
Rebound. It's Delta ball. Delta.
Tao!
3 minutes.
3, 2, 1, airball!
Oh! What a move by Raven. 38 to 37. Back to 1 point lead against Relation. It's Delta ball. Delta. Raven again. Raven. Corner pocket. Bang! Money. On Raven. All on Biner. It's warning for penalty on motivation 39-28. 1 point lead now, Delta. Substitution up, substitution.
Motivation warning penalty.
Good shot, good shot.
It's motivation ball as the referee decide. One minute and 40 seconds.
Ashley.
Black. 10 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. Five. Shelby. All alone is Raven. Now he's slowly shorting out Delta up by 3. It's 41-38. It's 1 minute to remain time on the third quarter. Championship match. Tupas. Now Galmemar. Tupas again. Lucero. Drive. Lucero flag. It's Solomon. Flag is foul.
Tatlo na rin yan.
Foul on number 7 on 13 foul on Delta, 13 foul on Ravens first against Delta. Third personal foul on RABN is Raven. 2 free throw shot to Solomon. Out short.
Limar, siya lang, Limar. Take time.
It's 0 out of 2. When it comes to 1.
Paano agad? Ayun na, ilalim mo.
Ali again. In and out. 30 seconds.
Ilalim.
25. 20. 10 seconds to shoot. Bang! Bang, bang, bang! Oh! Lucero!
What's up, what's up? Hoy, Amit!
4 seconds more.
No foul, no foul! Sa likod, sa likod!
41 all. 41 all.
Good, likod mo.
4 seconds now. Wasted. Hey!
Labas na yan. Oh,
Yes, sir.
nice.
2 seconds.
Goody, goody, goody.
Technical. Technical na kayo. Technical. Warning na kanina, warning na.
Stop, stop, stop.
Iba yung warning kanina eh. Kanina pagawa siya. Technical foul on Delta for delay the game.
Huwag ka na mag-explain, huwag na referee lang. Huwag ka na mag-explain, hindi ka nasali.
Anger issues.
The watch, the watch. Sleepy, okay, okay, okay. Okay, sleepy. Free throw. Hoy, technical free throw.
2 seconds, 2.
Second. Free throw, free throw.
And up a game, our score 41 all. Third quarter ready, third quarter, fourth quarter ready, fourth quarter, last quarter. Last quarter, last quarter. ball, Delta. Delta ball, Delta, we have jump ball. Last quarter for our championship game. For our Dallas League, score is 41-all. 41-all. Now Ribbon. 1-1 now, it's Ribbon, gotta be Lucero. Ribbon. It's Ribbon time, Ribbon now, 1-1, it's 10 seconds to shoot. Ribbon diving, foul! Foul on number behind on motivation. It's first team foul on motivation. Second personal foul against Garcia. Sheriffy. Bang! Too strong for the guy. 43-41. Tubas. Lucero. 10 seconds to shoot. Short. It's 1-1. Last time it's Ribbon. Short. Lucero rebound. Now it's Lucero. Garcia. Bang! Bang, bang, bang! Oh, Garcia. Shot by Ribbon. Ali. Yes, on Ali. 44-45. Lucero. It's 10 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds. Palay natin.
Tayo. 3 points yun ah.
Lucero, 5 to shoot. Stop! 6:47, 6 minutes and 46. Substitution up, substitution.
Minutes. All-nice attack, hindi lang talaga ano, nahuhulog.
45-44.
Clear attack naman eh.
McCoy, 10 to shoot. Air ball. Now, last 5 minutes and 50 seconds for our championship game. Do or die match. That is game. Delta against motivation. Shirabi. Ali. Whoa! Ali! Garcia. Miner. Skate. Black. My Ribbon. Ali. 2-1. Ali. Nice foul. Foul on number 17 on John. It's second team foul on motivation. Second personal foul on John Ray. Time out. On Delta.
Lahat ng to.
On
Only one now, one. No, one now, one.
One more.
You still have more.
44, 47.
Back to the ball game. Forty-seven, 44. Delta up by 3.
And a chance of
Take your time. Take your time. Take your time.
Hey!
48 now, 44. 4.3 now, Delta. Lucero.
Who's leading?
10 seconds to shoot. Ah. Foul on Solomon. It's 13 foul on motivation. First on Solomon. Last 4 minutes and 20. Ali. 10 seconds to shoot. Foul. Foul number 17 on John. It's warning for penalty motivation. Substitution rep.
third. John Litzer.
Third person foul number 17 on John.
How many team fouls?
I already told you it's called US play. I already told you, warning for penalty motivation. Warning for penalty. Nine seconds to shoot. 9 seconds. Technical foul on Surabi. Give the referee. Give the referee. Just give the referee. Give the referee. No, Sir, put the ball here. Counted rep. Now counted 1, 45, 48. Alan McCoy, penalty, penalty.
Take your time. Take your time. Take your time. Yalla, defense.
Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh!
It's a ball, motivation ball.
Good job.
3 minutes. 10 seconds to shoot.
Give it up!
5. Two minutes and 47 seconds.
Ready?
45 to 43. Whoa! Time out! On motivation, it's 48 to 45. It's a 3-point lead on Delta.
Kanina, Delta. Huwag tayo kanina kasi isa-isa.
After Bayarat, batting the bagay. And our next game for our semi-final match. Enter Emirates category. It's Dubai versus Al Ain. Motivation ball, motivation. Motivation ball, arrow position, motivation. Motivation ball.
Back. Back, Amo. Back.
Sit down. You're not playing, sit down. No, not coach. No, coach.
Forty-seven, 41, 1 minute and 50 seconds. Raven.
Tulak mo na ganyan, tulak mo.
Nawali. 10 to shoot. Forty-nine to 48. Foul on Musuliti. Penalty, penalty.
7-10 fourth personal.
Fourth personal foul on Johnny. Warning on Johnny. Now motivation and penalty. 49-48. It's a 1-point lead on motivation.
Ama.
49 on 49. 1 minute and 20. Dumas. Block. It's the ball, Nada. 49 all, last 1 minute and 4 seconds for our championship game. 2 or 9 for our tennis league. Foul on Garcia.
How many fouls in Garcia?
Garcia 3.
You sit down there, sit down. I will give you technical. Sit down now. All right, coach here. Sit down. Sit down, sit down. Not here. There. You only cheer there, cheer.
I'm not with Delta.
58 seconds, 58.
Ersa, Sriki!
55 seconds. Foul on Umar, warning on Umar. First team foul on Delta. First team foul on Delta. 52 seconds, 52. 52 seconds.
Hey, balance!
45 seconds. Rebound 11. 30 seconds. Short. 20 seconds. 21 seconds. 21. Foul on Omar. Omar 5 fouls on Omar. Second team foul on Delta. Timeout on moderation. 49 all, 49.
What one?
No, they are shooting, no?
No, you're foul here, not there. You're foul. Your second team foul. Wala. Motivation. Second team foul for Delta.
Didn't come and foul for him.
Who?
Hey, didn't foul for him.
Four per court only.
21 seconds left, 21 seconds. Volleyball game, 49 all. Championship game, do or die match. 21 seconds, 21.
Naman tayo, rep.
Lot of shots.
10 seconds to shoot. Whoa, 11 seconds, 11 seconds. Time out, Delta. Back to the ball game, 11 seconds. What a ball game, what a match. Now it's a tie ball game. Now motivation and penalty, motivation and penalty.
You play, you play.
Hey, any foul is 2 shots.
Order water!
11 seconds.
Five seconds. No timeout, no timeout, both teams, no timeout now. 5 seconds. Two seconds, 2. Third team foul, Delta. Third team foul on Delta. 2 seconds. We are on overtime.
Wait, why is Sanjay here? Why is Sanjay here?
10 minutes. This by league. Go, play.
Ball game, ball game. Round of play now, it's ball game. Now it's championship game. Rep, ball game, rep. Ball game, rep, ball game.
Get 3 only. Continuous. Ay, na bola. 3 only.
It's Delta, Delta. Let's play ball, let's play ball. Don't complain. It's a championship game. Mr. September McCoy. Jolly. Now it's Tubas. McCoy. Solomon. It's motivation ball, motivation. Championship game. Continue. You play.
First possession sa Delta.
Motivation ball!
Steve O'Reilly. Now it's Raven for 51 to 49, 2-point lead on Delta.
Kanina sino yung isang shot?
Send defense, guys. Send defense.
Tatakbo na yung 7.
Para.
Defense, good defense.
10 seconds to shoot. Back-to-back turnover on motivation. It's 51 to 49. Only 2-point lead on Delta.
Tao!
Second personal foul on Solomon. Motivation over the limit penalty.
Take your time.
Stay here. Stay here. No, you're not. Here. Oh, run yan. Stay here.
Running time tayo, sir. Running time tayo. Laro kayo. Ano kayo?
Ano, 1 million eh.
52-49. Tubas. Solomon. Subdivision.
Get to the limit.
Oh, Ali. 1 minute and 50 seconds. 10 to shoot. 7 seconds to shoot, 7 seconds, 1 minute and 44 seconds. Six to 49, 1 minute and 26 seconds. Foul number 8, on Ali. Warning for penalty now on Delta. Third personal foul on Ali.
On board.
56 to 49. 56 to 50. Tubas.
Foul!
52, 56. 1 minute. Four-point lead on Delta.
Maglaro ka! Ino.
54-58, 20 seconds. Nine, 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 nine. Oh, Tumas. Two 1 second, 1 second. Penalty na, penalty.
Sirif!
1 second.
Wala naman, second na nga lang.
Basket timeout, Tere. Basket timeout.
No foul! No foul! No foul!
Fourth quarter.
Timeout on motivation.
Ba, isa.
1 second, 1 second.
Mura naman kang ikaw, coach, oy. Mura kang coach. Ikaw, coach. Nagsabot kami, nagsabot. Wala, kay reklamo ko niya. Gago ka, kasao siya mong sisuyan.
Diyan,
Diyo.
tumigil ka na! Okay. Hoy, John, tumigil na!
Technical foul?
Yapag na. Buwang ka? Ay, sus! Hindi galing mo, God.
Ay, screen!
Pag-awasan. Pag-awasan pa. Labas mo yan.
Juni, baka matagyan naman tayo.
Ay, sus! Ikaw, mag-table ka din rin, Ikaw, maghibog liga.
Ball game, 1 minute.